Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check Wi-Fi gigahertz on Android. As you can see, I'm having this network over here. It's called EdRoam. So the first step is come and connect to this network by tapping on it and then tap on connect. So after connecting to the network over there, I just come and click on it and I'll be able to see the Wi-Fi frequency over here. And the frequency is represented as 2.4 gigahertz. As you can see, it's not 5 gigahertz, meaning this signal strength is literally 2 poor. Okay, so if you want to find out if you have a network that has 5 gigahertz, first come and tap on Google Play Store and then download this application. It's called Wi-Fi Analyzer. Okay, so after downloading it, you can come and open it. So this application literally likes playing a lot of ads, but you can come and just skip them over there, or you can fast watch them until they are done. As you can see, it's playing some ads, so just tap on skip video and head over to the point. Okay, all right, so right now, as you can see, if I tap on 5 gigahertz over here, okay, it will show no network. So this means that in my location there is no network that is of 5 gigahertz. But if there's a network which is of 5 gigahertz, then it will definitely show me that network. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.